Hey there everyone, it's Christophe Choo from Coldwell Banker Previews in Beverly Hills. Thought I'd show you one of the most popular streets here in the bird streets of the Hollywood Hills West. So I'm on Blue Jay Way, which is an extremely popular, what we call Sunset Strip Area West street. I'm at the end of the cul-de-sac. Some of the most commanding views in the city of LA. Now it's one of those hazy kind of, though it's clear, it's a bit hazy, so you really can't see the view today. But old teardowns on this street are going for about $5.2 million to start, and the upper end homes are going for about $15 to $17 million when they're done. So you'll see as we go down, there's a mixture of still a lot of these older mid-century homes and then a lot of the newer construction homes. So really, really great area, and depending on the right house and the view, again, you can't quite see it through here, but you either have a west side ocean, Century City, Beverly Hills view, or you have an east side downtown view. So it's really, really quite nice. I don't know if we just passed it, but one of the houses here just sold for about $5.2 million. A single level, 1960s, contemporary. They're probably going to tear it down and build a new house, very likely. And that's, I think, closed for $5.2 million just a few weeks ago. And the most recent high sale here was, I think, $14.5 million for new construction, about 6,000 square foot home. Really great street, and it's called the Bird Streets because this is Blue Jay Way, and all of the other streets are all named after different birds. Flicker, Blue Jay, Oriole, Robin, etc. Very, very, very popular celebrity neighborhood. Lots of the A-list celebrities love to live here because they love the views. It's kind of the last street in the Hollywood Hills before you get to Beverly Hills. So it's right off the Sunset Strip, Sunset Boulevard. So it's really the perfect blend of all locations. It's young, it's hip, it's modern, it's European. It's got all the things a young rock star, a young Hollywood star would love. That one there on the glass on the left is the one sold for $14 million a few years back. Or maybe a year ago, I forget. And so that's a little tour of Blue Jay Way here in the Bird Streets, Sunset Strip west of the Hollywood Hills. Hope you have a great day.